My name's Jay Nolan Latchford. I know a lot of people say, oh, I really love teaching, but I really genuinely do. The pleasure of passing on those skills that I've learned over 30 or 40 years has, it just really brings me great joy to be able to pass on those skills. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Patreon. When we decided that we would like to take the workshops online, we did a lot of research and Patreon came up absolute trumps. So by pledging once a month, it enables you to access everything you need from beginners right up to the family tutorials. There's workshops that kids can do on their own. Those are also suitable for beginners. There are some which adults or teens will be able to have a go at, and there's lots of variety, and that's really important for us that we keep that varied. And the other thing is that you'll always be able to access the full library, so anything that we've done in the past will also be accessible. So you can dip back into old tutorials, old workshops that we've done, and you'll be able to find those too. So there's a huge range of resources. So let me tell you a little bit more in detail about the tutorials. They're all full length, so it'll take you right from the beginning to the end. You can pause, rewind, stop, go and get a cup of tea, watch it more than once, so that's really good. It tells you all the materials that you're going to need. We've also got a full equipment list, and I'll run you through those as each tutorial comes up. So these are real time. There's no sort of speeding up. It's all actually as I paint it. And that will enable you just to keep up and do it at your own pace. I'll also be doing lots of shorter videos as well, so tips, drawing techniques, quite a few how-tos which I think are really useful, just 5-10 minutes. Those are great for beginners as well as kids, but you can also, if you're more advanced, it's always really nice to have a good refresher on some of the techniques that you might already know. So I will be focusing a lot on techniques, and what I'm hoping is that you will get a whole range of tools that you can use. I always think each technique is like a tool that you put in your toolbox, and then when you do a painting on your own, you'll be able to refer back and you'll be able to use a whole combination of techniques that I'm going to teach you. You can always send me photographs. I'd really like to see what you've worked on. I can give you some feedback either by message, or we can arrange a little Zoom call if that suits you better. Also, don't forget that we do have, if you do use Facebook, we've got the Facebook page there, and that's a really good place for posting, asking questions and sharing information. So thank you, and I look forward to seeing you soon.